Now, before you call your local TV or cable rep and just sign up, I'd like to give you a few tips that will help improve your success with a streaming TV campaign. Tip number one, you have to know your customer and make sure it matches the streaming TV audience that you'll be targeting. You know, we have discussed the importance of understanding your target audience before, and since streaming TV allows you to target by both basic demographics as well as in-market audience targeting, you are going to need to know who that audience is before launching your campaign. Think long and hard about what you're really good at and what customer base you can serve exceptionally well. Target those consumers and forget about everyone else. Tip number two, you need to mix up your ads. Unlike cable or broadcast TV, where ad formats were all pretty limited, streaming TV has the ability to provide multiple formats: short, long, bumper ads. You could do hard sell, lifestyle ads, vignettes. Different audiences are going to respond to different ad styles and formats. And with streaming TV, it's actually pretty easy to tell which format is performing the best. You know, most providers have campaign dashboards which allow you to track and monitor your campaign almost in real time. This will help remove that emotional factor from your decisions. If a particular ad isn't working, you will know it. Tip number three, test different ads. You know, no matter what type of advertising you want to do, testing is one of the most important ways to know if you have a good ad. This rule applies to streaming TV as well. And while streaming offers you the ability to get really creative and have a lot of fun, finding the right ad for your ideal customer and market will come down to testing it on the streaming platforms. Now, if you have never tested ads before, it's a pretty simple concept that boils down to testing at least 2 different ads at the same time. What you do is you watch to see which one outperforms the other ad. And once you get enough data collected, the idea is just continue to serve ads and try to outperform the best ad. The result is a never-ending cycle of well-performing ads. Tip number 4, you must include a clear and concise call to action. Now, while it is true that a streaming campaign will help build your brand and keep your dealership top of mind, the strength is its ability to reach lower funnel in-market customers. For that reason alone, you need a clear and concise call to action. Tell them what you want them to do next. Get approved now. Claim your rebate now. Schedule your vehicle pickup now. Make it easy for your target audience to know what you want them to do next. Tip number 5, stick with proven ads. Hey, let's face it, video is a lot of fun. We can really let our personality shine, and the temptation is to constantly change the direction with our ads. Don't do it. Once you have found a proven winning ad and format, stick with that same style and format of ad. Keep testing other variations, but don't get too far off track. You need to really focus your efforts and your budget on what works.